Ever pondered on how to start selling on Amazon? Well, guess what? You're about to discover the secrets to becoming a seller on one of the world's largest online marketplaces. Kicking off the journey, the first step is setting up a seller account on Amazon. This isn't a daunting task. All it requires is a bit of your time and some basic information. Start by visiting Amazon's homepage, navigate to the bottom of the page, and click on Sell on Amazon. You'll be directed to a page that prompts you to create a new seller account. Follow the instructions, provide the necessary information such as your legal name, address, and contact details, and voila! You're signed up. Now, with your account set up, it's time to decide what you want to sell. This is a crucial step because the product you choose could make or break your success on Amazon. When selecting a product, consider factors such as demand, competition, and profitability. A good practice is to select products that are in high demand but have low competition. Additionally, ensure that the product can yield a considerable profit margin. With your product selected, it's time to source it. There are several ways to source products, but one common method is through wholesale suppliers or manufacturers. Reach out to them, negotiate prices, and arrange for the products to be delivered to you or directly to Amazon's fulfillment centers. You've got your product and your supplier, now it's time to list your product on Amazon. Go to your seller account, click on Inventory, then Add a Product. Follow the prompts to add product details such as the product's name, brand, price, and quantity. Remember to write a compelling product description and use high-quality images to make your product stand out. Now, you're almost there. The final step is to manage your inventory and orders. Keep track of your stock levels and ensure you always have enough products to meet your customers' demands. Also, promptly fulfill orders to maintain good customer service. In this video, you've learned how to set up a seller account on Amazon, choose a profitable product, source it from a reliable supplier, list the product on Amazon, and manage your inventory and orders. While it might seem like a lot to take in, remember that every successful Amazon seller started right where you are now. With consistent effort, dedication, and the application of these steps, you're now equipped to embark on your selling journey on Amazon. So gear up and get ready to dive into the exciting world of selling on Amazon. The marketplace awaits your unique offerings. Good luck and happy selling!